preparing myself. I'm preparing myself because I'm going somewhere and I want to take you with me. So from the title of my video today, it's all about how to make ice cream rolls. I've been watching these YouTube videos and TikTok videos and I became so interested, so I had to learn how to make ice cream rolls, and that is what I'm going to show you, like what I learned. Yeah. The ice cream place is located in Shujaa Mall, which is on your way to Kayole. When you get inside the mall, it's just at the exit of Clean Shelf Supermarket.